Good afternoon, my team, and I will introduce what Dave's in English. My team is Made U, Melgar Morales, Mayra Marlene, Chávez Gasca Abigail, López Pestaña, Evelyn Mariam, Mondragón Victoria, Jonathan Alexis, and Air Servant García Estrada Magdabanés. What of my projects we explain is instead use values that are present and the solution length of each the with the form in description box. Dave's name entry keyword use the keyword is used to enter charts, uploader and to control the equipment that no would have the commands word programming institution than code effort. Possibility problem stands located on the Dave. The word stops corresponding. Chef means cave of become in quiz in Spain with coffee on the word. A possibility solution for solution without the word, then fill brown folder and click this computer and select properties and wait with make in start to use keyword on the like is information box. What you to Windows 10 settings and click where is size, accessibility and your it on keyword and your activity in solution and it's the description. Mouse. The house of the mouse in Made Hub mainly from 4 tips often mouse by moving the point arrow of the figure to a specific place on the screen. By moving the mouse, click press and release mouse in button right keep pressing a mouse button with moving in sleep and the release button double click this compass form from the scroll clip as is click conservation on button the mouse pointer go up diving for the penguin and the passion related to objective with screen in datum tower a rock with stakes area is resemble a your study started when the stem is with the another lake and world. Las possibility problems can be located Dave's. Um, One, the mouse pointer moves on is how um, possibility solution. The solution is to hook the drive because if you don't hook them for one, the mouse poster is from a solution and we use some smaller codes than are not start and go to vary to solve this problem. The explanation is the video, video where the link is linked in the description box. 3. The mouse does not work. I solution and you out how it your sensor battery so what you need a clown. A continue my pattern Chávez Casca Abigail.
Joystick. The joystick fulfills a mouse-like function, register different movements and transmit them to PC, but the first receiver used for games. It's for R. It's now open the joy. It's now configured the console. Errors of the joystick. I will tell you a little about the joystick solutions. The first is bugging. You configure the screen resolution. Then you open the Game Boy again and go through the game you want to check that is an no login button. The second is how to install and configure it. Then you uninstall the RAID from the disk of your control and you install them directly from Google Chrome. You put what it indicates and when you install it, you configure it. And the last word is the solution to errors. Here are two solutions. The first on the rest it with will clip and place it on the back in the seat control to restart it, and the other is white alcohol. Feeder or live function and receiver that works in the connection with a computer screen. The pen what is pressed and it makes contact with a point on the screen. Its faults are unresponsive, delay and wearing, battery on, battery not working, and one and the same solution of the light pen. Each time we enter the Scene Explorer and configure it. In the box on the description we leave in the links of the completed videos of the solution.
Trackball. Use it in drawing an application requiring in train accuracy such as computer aided designer. Possible problems that can be location and based. Number 1, weird legs. Number 2, scratch. And number 3, it's dirty. The solution is to have a good maintenance. We must clean in very well, and that will help use to work better. In the description box we the link to the full video. Optical mark reader. Use unused mark write a pencil, pen or track write are already predefined. In advanced which present possible option for certain events or questions. Possible problems that can be located on the device. Number one, the device that gets the machine can enter levels of write to the background that do not belong to the original image. Number two, the resolution of this device. You can introduce noise into the image affecting pixel to the processor. Optical mark reader. The solution is to be careful when using. The link will be in the description of the video. That will be all. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Evelyn Lopez, and we'll tell you about the bad reader and optical scanner. Optical character reader used in those text edits programs. 1. I don't writing nice patterns. 2. When starting in command. 3. Not being able to let to corporal the recognition in a cover is the page because in the link of the description you will find some information about OCR. The following is the backward. A backward reader is divisive electronic dimensions of laser and rays backward and emits the number showing in backward. The possible problems that can be located on the base is your configuration is not the right one and communication cable failure. Intellect test that is in the video description will fit more information.
I am Mayra Marlene Mulgar Morales and I'm touch this device is tablet digitals. It uses tablet digitizer as multiple use with it well can introduce all kinds of information, drawing or graphics, design, embroidery, and clothing programs. Information system to create maps and white text bars that transfer notes handwritten to documents. Possible problems that can be looked on the tablet. Don't turn on. The screen does not work and not charge. Possible solution: uncover the tablet, put the carrier caps in the indicated place for a moment and thanks it will turn on. The second solution is for the touch to work. We must uncover the tablet. Remove that makes the touch work and it reconnects correctly and tags it. The likes of the videos will be in the description box in case you have doubts. The next device is the microphone. Is using the microphone because these of microphones are the most commonly used to record speech and voice. Possible problems that can be located on the device. And we have to press a few words to enter the device. Manage we enter the audio inputs and outputs and choose the microphone if it is does not work correctly. We must update it and updated the equipment. Restart and that's it. The second solution is we need to have the audio program installed and having it installed we configure it. The third solution is we will go to the device manager. We go to the device what we to install it. Their opinions will appear ability. Click on the microphone. They click on some icons. We enter the salute configure option and that's it. The likes of the videos will be in the description box in case you have those. Thanks.